It's day 2 of summer in the city. We just got ready. I got woken up super early this morning, so I haven't had the greatest amount of sleep. We're just about to head to go get some pancakes for breakfast. We didn't do an outfit of the day yesterday, so I thought we could quickly do one. What are you wearing, Meg?
Okay, baby. I'm wearing this dress that ties up at the back.
It's well nice.
From Misguided.
Ooh, stunning.
And some muddy Converse that I fucked up in Wellytown. And
Yay.
It's built from Hat's Wardrobe.
And bag from
Playmark.
Amazing. I've got this little white 2-piece. It's like a shirt and short cotton combo from Misguided. Then we've got an Urban Outfitters initial necklace here, which was in the yard sale if anyone's interested. Then I've got some Primark coin earrings, which were £1.50, absolute bargain. Then I've got this little blue bag from Zara, which I have yet to wear.
It is yet to be worn.
It is yet to be worn. Really happy about that. I'm going to take it to Turkey with me next week. And then I've got my Skechers on, which I've had quite a few compliments about, so I'm really happy about that. I'm really happy about this because I'm really happy about this because I thought people were going to judge me. So let's go get some pancakes. Let's go get some pancakes. Oh wow! Wow! You did the Portsmouth, the Great South Run. Yeah. Wow. Just come into like central London. It wasn't actually a plan, but basically the place near Aiden's for breakfast was closed. Oh, fancy. Yeah, we're just heading to Pret, I think, for breakfast.
Fucking hell, mate.
So, whoa. Despacito. Big Ben just here. Day 2, which is obviously a lot busy already, like just at the tube and stuff than usual. Hectic morning. So obviously
the morning was started at 5 to 6.
Yeah, so we woke up at 5 to 6 because there was loud noises outside Aiden's house. It was just a bit of a mess, and then obviously the food place we were going to go for breakfast was like
I just thought it was
packed.
Saturday, isn't it?
Oh yeah, of course. So yeah, it was a bit packed, so we had to obviously change our plans. So me and Meg decided to just randomly get out at Westminster, which was probably the worst decision. I don't even know if you can hear me with the wind. But we got out at Westminster, which is like one of the busiest like touristy areas, walked across the bridge. Okay, I'm gonna wait until we get inside. Yeah, but basically we walked across the bridge and it was packed to get our Pret, and then there was no seats there, so we had to like eat it on the move, which is a bit of a fucking ordeal. Yeah, so it's not been a great morning. Oh.
People don't exactly get you a humour, I don't really know how to... Yeah, that's me. I think it can go too far, but I'm not really like... I used to think like, especially when I was much more of like a watcher of YouTube, I'd get kind of slightly annoyed at clickbait, but at the point now it's hard to compete with people who are like multi-millionaires. So if you just start on YouTube, over-exaggerate something, putting like the winner takes 10 grand in the title or something like that, like I don't think it hurts anybody, so I don't think it's that bad.
Do you guys think that like, as a viewer of YouTube, are you guys disappointed sometimes if you click something and you were expecting one thing, like to win £10,000, and then suddenly the video is about something else completely?
Yeah, I mean, I am a YouTube viewer as a YouTuber myself, but sometimes if you see like if someone announces they're pregnant and they're actually not, it's disappointing, you know?
You're misleading your audience, so eventually they're just not going to watch your videos because they don't trust you. they'll sit, like, if you start off clickbaiting, like the first couple of videos you'll get views, but eventually people are going to realise that that's your thing and they're not going to watch the videos. You lose trust with your audience.
Do you ever, if you've seen a video that that's calling you out, being really, really successful, have you ever felt like, oh no, they're making money off of calling me out or anything like that?
That's a question for Carby.
I just see clout, and then it's like, oh, like views and my name's out there, so I'm like, that's sick.
Fishtail eyebrows. That's where the eyebrow is kind of take out the arch and goes up. Lovely sliders. That's basically like a loose with like pompons on the top.
At the fashion and beauty stage at the minute. We've just been to a panel before, and then we've just met Alice and Jess. Alice. Hi. Yeah, we've met with Alice. She's the fashion stage. We're supporting Molly and Lewis up there. Wait, how do you? This is musical. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, do you need to tell me all the ropes? How do you do a time lapse? Yeah. Is there a setting for it? I thought so. I need one of them little muff muffs. Yeah, we're really staring at it for ages. So cute. This is my highlight of Sitsi so far. Makes me want to cry. Work it. Oh yeah. Oh, Meg's just been not the atmosphere. Yeah, Meg's just been spotted. Yeah. What? You just got spotted? Yeah. That's my name. Got a bit of atmosphere going on. Right, so we've literally just been wandering around having aimlessly. Yeah, yeah, no, to be fair, we haven't aimlessly. Yeah, we've just been sort of like chilling, just chatting to everyone. Everyone's here. We've got Lucy, Chloe, Alice, Jess and Meg. Spoken to quite a few people, which has been really nice, but I don't really know where we're going, to be honest, but we're just following the crowd. We've had conversations that I didn't think we were going to have here. Nipple piercings, tattoos, what else we thought? Now I'm joking. Yeah. Chloe put Megan off getting a nipple tattoo, so. Nipple tattoo? Nipple tattoo. Okay, I'm just gonna go because I think I'm drained or something because I can't talk anymore. Chloe. There's Chloe. Oh god, who even am I? Right, so we've just been sort of like chilling and chatting really for the last couple of hours. It's been quite nice, to be fair, because there's not like lots of activities to do. We've just come to panel room B because Chloe's actually on the Small Creators panel this year. She got chosen. I think she applied a couple months ago, maybe last month, and she got chosen, so we're going to go grab a seat hopefully near the front, and I'm going to try and film some for her. She's going to do amazing though, because she's really good at speaking, so. Yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa. My YouTube channel is Inspiring Vanessa. You guys are probably wondering, like, they snuck on a child on him, not supposed to be here.
That's quite funny.
I'm the youngest on the panel, but I'm really excited for today. I'm 30, I just turned 13 yesterday, and I do
I'm Chloe, my channel is Anomalous Chloe, and I kind of do a little bit of whatever I fancy. So I'm a nurse, so I make a lot of content about nursing and sort of advice for student nurses. And then I travel quite a lot, I pull things when I buy things and make up videos, whatever I fancy.
I'm Jake.
Yeah, you need 1,000 views in 24 hours to be able to request a manual review. And I mean, not a lot of my content gets demonetized, but when it does, it's never going to get remonetized because all my views will be in the first 24 hours. Once that's gone, I've requested a review, I'm not going to get the 1,000 views in 24 hours.
Once it gets demonetized and it gets pushed out the algorithm, so you can't get any more recommended views, it's just not going to happen.
Like when something I does get demonetized, I know it's not going to change it, so I may as well make the title I actually want to say, because if I'm like tiptoeing around the actual point of the video just in case it doesn't pick it up, there's no point in that. I want my video to make a certain point. So if YouTube are going to be really stupid about it, I'll just do it anyway, because like I don't do it for the money. It's just a shame that it gets less kind of out there into the people that need it.
But I think it doesn't get pushed. If it's not monetized, it won't get pushed.
Yes.
Or even the fact that the algorithm, if you're uploading regularly, will push your videos to more people, which sometimes, again, I'll be uploading regularly, but not at the moment because I'm working full-time and then some, so I don't have time to upload. So then when you do upload, it gets even less views, even less people see it, and you're just like, well, this is fun. I'm glad I took a break now.
I mean, to be honest, from like my point of view, I don't really think there's a problem that needs to be fixed. I feel like it's more like a realization. And I feel like it's more like a realization that YouTube needs to have, because there's so many times that other different brands have approached me and my mum, because we're a little team, and there are so many times people have approached us and been like, oh, we want to do this with you, we want to do that with you, and then a month's come and they're like, oh yeah, we picked this YouTuber, he has 1 million subscribers, and I'm like, but doesn't it make more sense if you think about that? People think, oh yeah, if we have higher brands and higher YouTubers, that's more of an inspiration for people. I feel like small creators and small YouTubers are a bigger marketplace, and that's for YouTube, that's just in their own time that we need to realise that.
Like, you can have 1 million subscribers and get like 10,000 views a video, or you can have like 15,000 subscribers and get 10,000 views a video. Like, which one is kind of more appealing to a brand?
Yeah.
So we have just come out of the Small Creators Pack. It was actually quite interesting, and I loved seeing Chloe and listening to her answers. It was just sort of like a bit not crowded, yeah, very niche and a bit crowded. So I feel like Chloe couldn't talk as much as I wanted to listen to her. Where are we supposed to be going? Just got to speak to a lovely girl who also does forensics, so that was quite cool to find like another girl who does like science content and goes to uni, well, just graduated from uni, so yeah, it was interesting. And now we're just about to fill our water bottles up and head to the pub.
Head to the pub on an empty stomach because
yeah.
It's fucking stupid, but it's funny.
It'll be honestly, I love this from the Excel. How's it?
Helped eliminate waste from this many, like every time.
Oh wow, that's so cool. I was just reading that. It's like reduce plastic waste by refilling your bottle here. And me and Meg kept our bottles from prep this morning, so chin chin.
I think I won't neck this and then fill it up again.
Yeah, that's what my plan was.
Delirium has hit.
Right, so we've just got off the tubes. We've had a really lovely time. I don't really know when the last time I vlogged was, to be honest.
Me neither.
We went out for some drinks, which was really nice, with a few people, and it was lovely. We went with Alice and like a few others. And then they were heading over to the O2 for food, and we thought we'd come back and have food with Aiden because he's been the best Airbnb host we could ever ask for. It's just lovely. Oh look, the cute lights. Oh wow, we've been waiting for that to come here. Yeah, wow.
It's from Deliveroo, Lang.
Oh, Lang. Yeah. Oh wow, these were all the new places. This was all under construction last time I came here. Oh wow, right, okay. We're just gonna order some food and love our lives.